everyone, teaching the class. My name is Tania Mesa Rodriguez. I study English. Today I want to talk to you about the word stress. Let's start. What is word stress? When a word has more than two syllables in English, one syllable will receive more importance than the other when pronounced. The is the syllable that receives the stress of the primary word. This means that compared to the other, the vowel sound on that syllable will be slightly stronger plus in a higher tone. Let's continue. Each example. For each example, the word chapter is highlighted in the first syllable. The first syllable key will be high, the little longer than the last syllable. The intensity of each syllable in this example can be it strengthened. There's fabulous chapter represent the intensity. The word chapter is the strength, the difference between the strength, the unstressed syllable. Let's continue. Example. I heard the word syllable that stand out. Computer, government, environment, behavior, sentence. Ready? Thank you. Thank you very much.